Amidst the poll fever in West Bengal, former Lok Sabha Speaker and veteran left leader Somnath Chatterjee talks exclusively to Times Now. Somnath admits that he did not resign from the party but was expelled. However, he does not fail to mention that his heart is still with the CPIM and that he would campaign and hope for the left government to come back to power in West Bengal.
Former Speaker of Lok Sabha Somnath Chatterjee is among the longest serving parliamentarians in India. But since 2009, he has taken a political sabbatical. Today, he speaks exclusively to Times Now. My first question, sir, what is your prediction when people are saying there's a ding-dong battle happening in West Bengal?
Well, how can I make a prediction? I'm not an astrologer, as Jyoti Basu used to say. But what was earlier, at least the media projection was, that is going to prove wrong, substantially wrong. And I hope that this orchestrated campaign against the left front by the media, for reasons one can assume, one can understand also, they are the beneficiaries of large number of advertisements given by particular party or particular ministry of a government. Now they are espousing the cause of that particular group of people or politicians. But I think it will not be easy for anybody other than left front to come back to power or come to power. That's my information I am getting, and that's my hope also.
Sir, there are certain talks about you joining the campaign in favor of the left. Is that true, sir?
You see, this is quite a question which is being asked of me very frequently. You see, I did not resign from the party. Party felt for some reason I was not competent to continue as a member of the party. But I have not changed my political views. I am not like that whoever is in trouble with the party goes and joins some other party. I have not joined any other party. I have not expressed support for anybody else. I have not sort of campaigned for anybody else. Now, I continue to believe in Marxist theories, principles, left politics very much in India. And the major party still in this country, left party, is the CPIM.
Do you think that there is another rethink within the party to have you back?
I do not know who has said this. I have no idea. And there is no question of rethinking. That stage has not arrived or arisen now. I had decided even before this thing happened. In 2008, I had decided that I shall not contest the 2009 election. Long after that, when that appeared in the press also, Biman Bose, the left front, another party secretary in West Bengal, he telephoned me from Calcutta saying, Somnath, please don't say those things. Election is still way off. When we come to that point, we decide. After that, a year later, my expulsion came. Not a year later, but 6 months later, my expulsion came. And then there has been no question of my contesting. I did not go to any other party. And I was given tantalizing offers, but I'm sorry, I said no. I don't change my political understanding or beliefs just to get elected to to parliament or anywhere else. And I had no question of any political rethinking. And I did not become a member of CPIM anticipating that I will be the speaker or hold any office anywhere. Jyoti Basu told me, and which I believed, that politics provides the best opportunity to serve the people. And that was 40 years back. And when I joined the party, when the party nominated me to contest the election, that was in 71, there was no hope of anybody coming to power. Party was not in power in West Bengal either. Therefore, not to get something out of politics, but if possible to serve the people through politics. That's my leader, only leader I had, Jyoti Basu. That's what he told me, and I still believe in that.